Hey everybody, this is Dustin, Nervy Specialist. So I want to talk about some fender skirts real quick. And I'm always looking at fender skirts for them getting broken, blowing off in the wind and whatnot. So see how somebody added a screw here at the very end? I have another one I'm going to show you here in just a second that's missing that screw. There's no screw on here at all. But then here's two screws, and then there's no screw on this end. So I would recommend that the owner have put a screw in that end. But I'm going to walk you over to another unit real quick here and show you, try not to get no license plates and stuff in here. Walk over to another unit that has the same similar thing, but doesn't have a screw in the end of it. So here on this unit, as you can see, there's one screw here, but there's not another one here. And then you can see on those ends, I added additional screws to secure it. So make sure you're checking on your fender skirts. The last thing we want to have happen is a fender skirt to come loose and travel. That could come loose while driving, hit another vehicle and cause damage to it. And then the price of the fender skirts, of course, those aren't cheap. And then depending upon the year, some of them are even, you'd have to replace both sides. So anyway, stay tuned for more, and I hope these tips and tricks help you. Thanks so much for watching.